Hello again, guys, and welcome back. So today I am going to take on the world record for soldering together this LM317 power supply kit. If you're not aware of what I'm talking about, Junk from Work and I competed a few months back live for soldering this kit together, this exact kit, and he won. He beat me fair and square. He is a hell of a competitor. Well, he also did another take by himself, and he beat his own record. So at the moment, the record is 10:43:51, I believe. But this competition is open to anybody who wants to do it. So if you buy this kit, I will put the link in the description from whatever seller you want, as long as it's an identical kit. You can compete. The only real rules are you got a couple minutes to kind of finagle with the parts if you want, but you cannot insert anything into the board until the timer starts. The last component that you must do is this knob here, and this knob going on the potentiometer signals the end of your challenge. Your kit must work. I thought there was a rule for getting it to work if it didn't work, but I don't quite remember. I think you have, if you can stop to test it, and if it didn't work, well then you have to tack on your repair time at the end of your regular challenge time. I am going to go try this and try to beat Junk from Work at his own game, and I'm not expecting it to be easy. So yeah, if you do better, make sure you get linked in the you link your video somewhere. I think there's a playlist active. I'll link to everything relevant in the description. I'm gonna have to do a small video cut because I only have 20 minutes of continuous recording time, and this attempt could take more than 20 minutes. I'm hoping it doesn't, but it may. So I will stop the video here, restart it, get the timer going. Oh yeah, you must show the timer in your attempt, and then I'm gonna go. So I'll bring you back right after that. I am primed and ready to go. I have my timer reset on my record. I don't have decimal seconds or decimal milliseconds, I guess, on this timer. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, trying to fit everything here, and nothing left now but to do it. So ready? Go. Wait. Go. There we go. Now it's going. All right. Not sure how much I'm going to speak through this. Oh my god, it's already not going well. Beauty doesn't count in this. It's not a beauty contest. All electronics are beautiful in their own way, so that's why that doesn't count. But it must function. That's actually the key component of doing electronics. It doesn't look good, but it works. It still works. I'm going to try to get into the single digit minutes here, but I don't see that happening. My competitors are fierce, I think. So Gadget Reboot tried. I think he's going to try again because he's adamant he's going to win, which is great. I love the competition. 51k. What's Reds? Reds is 2. It's 220. I love the competition. I hope he does well. Pile of Stuff is supposed to try as well. I sure hope he does. Oh, this needs to be standing up, I think. And band this way. My strategy this time, which is different than last time, is that I am going with a higher temperature on my iron. I always solder at 325 to 350. I'm going to solder at 425 this time. Hopefully I can win back some time by getting things hella hot, hella quick. Like that. I'm not expecting to beat Junk from Work. He is absolutely ridiculous. This guy's insane. But I'm hoping to. Not expecting, but hoping. Hopefully I didn't lose any components there. Doesn't seem like it. Okay. Flip this guy over. Hopefully nothing falls through. Hopefully everything's in frame. Go. Oh, I hate this. Not set up properly for pressure here. And by pressure, I mean I can't push down hard on the board, which is what I need to do. I brought everything up closer to my face too, because I'm getting old. And I can't see very well. So I brought the my whole workstation up a little bit closer to the camera and closer to me. Get in there. Not looking for perfect joints here. Anything will do. We've got to be careful on the overheating components. I think you do have to trim your leads though for your successful entry. Don't think you can just have, it has to be a functional kit. Okay. I am not going to make the single digits, I don't think. I am not even looking at what the time is, but I feel as though I'm not going to make it. Just not a good state of mind, not a winning attitude right now. Yeah, I've got no support on this side of the board. Get out of there, get out of there. Ah, there we go. Any of these joints are not well made, it's going to cost me big time, like this guy. It's my first time going so friggin' hot. Oh, missed a component there. Have to go back and get it. Oh, watch your eyeballs. Oh, that one went flying. Going kind of zero fucks on the trimming there. Got my screwdriver here. Oh, 5 minutes. None of this shit is properly... Oh, I gotta keep this in frame. None of this shit's properly aligned. Got leads sticking out everywhere. It's going to be a tough joint. Oh, it's not too bad. The extra heat, this is where it's helping. Alright, switch. Come on. Oh man, the switch is the wrong footprint. Shit. It's not helping. Oh my god. Get in there. Okay. Switch is in there. Pot is going in. Terminal is going in. Don't know if I'm going to make single digits. Terminal is in. slot that guy in there. Come on. I don't even know where my other connections are. Oh, here, the switch. Go, terminal. Terminal done. Potentiometer fell out. Shaking like crazy, trying to get this in. That. Pop the knob in this thing, and time. Oh. Oh my God. 8:08:16. I don't know how well you can see that. Oh no, don't flip on me. 8:08:16. Okay. Whew. Let's make sure if I don't have everything soldered, this time does not count. I'm missing something. Okay, I'm missing something. Actually, I'm missing two things. I'll give myself a penalty. That's my fault. So I'll start this. It's still going. Damn, missed this terminal here. And I didn't trim these guys. So I'll take 821. I'm more than happy with. So there's a few extra parts, but they are indeed extra. Wow, that was ridiculous. Everything is soldered. Wow, okay. So I have extra resistor here. 2 extra resistors. I don't see a spot on the board for them. Okay. You know what? Because I missed the one solder point and the and trimming the last leads there, I will leave it up to my colleagues to decide whether or not the attempt counts. If not, well, I have another kit I can do, so that's all right. I'm going to turn off my soldering iron. So 821.87 is my submission. If that counts. If not, you know, if you think this is cheated or whatever, let me know in the description. I'm a good sport. No worries. I won't get mad at you. Okay, so all that's left to do now is to test it. I need a flat screwdriver. Like so. All right. And doesn't say the polarity, but I think this is a full bridge rectifier for a reason. I think that's why. So there's no polarity. I think it's so you can use an AC power supply too. I think this is the same kit that they use in those kits with transformers on eBay. Okay, so that's that. I need to grab a multimeter. my recent favorite. And these terminals are backwards, but that is in the design for some reason. Okay. So I've got no voltage right now. I'm going to set my power supply. Oops, not even plugged in. Set my power supply to 12.2. I think that's what the official rules were. Okay, so it's on and nothing from here. So I'm going to flip the switch. At minimum, 1.25 volts. Crank it up. Yeah, up to 9.5 volts. So this kit, ladies and gentlemen, is functioning. And if you want to try this challenge, which I really think you should, head down to the link in the description. I will link the item from maybe a couple sellers so you can get to pick your choice and try it out for yourself. Post the video and we will add you to the leaderboards once the leaderboards are made. Thanks again for watching, and I don't think that this number will last very long, especially if the people I know and chat with are going to be trying it out for themselves. This will be fantastic. Thanks for watching.